Welcome to another video. On this video I'm making Ewa Goyin. It's called match the beans, and there's this special oil for it. So sometimes if you are tired of eating porridge beans and yam, just porridge beans as a whole, you can as well make this for your family. So on this special evening, I decided to just, why can't I try Ewa Goyin at home, and let's see how it's going to turn out. So if you have your dry pepper, you need dry pepper, you need a lot of onion. Here I'm using 2 big bulb onion, and then I also bought fresh shombo. Those are fresh long chili pepper, but if you can't get the fresh one, you can as well use the dry one. Okay, then just blend it to paste like this, the way you are saying it. Blend it to paste, then set it aside. Then cut the normal onion for the frying for the sauce and set it aside. Then you add your oil. When you're bleaching this oil, because you're going to bleach the oil you're going to use for this Ewa Goyin sauce, do not open it. Look for a pot or any pot that has a tight cover. Use it to bleach it, and when you are bleaching it, so that your whole house will not be smoke, just allow it to cool down before opening it. If you open it when it's still on fire, your whole house is going to be smoky when you are bleaching the red oil. So that's the trick. Then pour your onion, allow it to be crispy. Let the onion be crispy, like let it dry. Let it dry before adding the pepper mixture to it. Allow it to dry. You can see I'm still frying my own. When it is a little bit dry, you can now add the pepper mixture and allow it to fry. Allow it to fry very well. The more it stays, when it's drying up, it tends to have this darker color because it's pepper. It tends to have this darker color. Allow it to fry. Meanwhile, our beans is still on fire, so we'll still check on the beans while the sauce is still frying. So take your time, and then you can add any serere inside of it. Let's have different both stoves. You can add your fish, like smoked fish, inside the you don't need to pieces it. Then you can add pomo. Then this Juno Maggi, oh my god, please, you need to get it. This Juno Maggi is something else. Like this Hidabas's Juno Maggi, it's gonna take your cooking to another level. So please, you guys should try it. Then friends, if you have watched up to this extent, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Please, my people, kindly subscribe and join the family, so that anytime I post any video, you be the first to be notified. So I like parboiling my beans. Yes, I'll wash before I cook it, and I'll still to pour that water, that first water out, so that, I don't know, but I just like doing it this way. I don't just cook at a stretch. So this is me here washing the parboiled beans to put it on fire again. Yes. And mind you, this beans I'm using, is it Olotu? I can't remember, but just tell them beans for Ewa Goyin. Yes, they will give you. It's a brown beans. It's a different species of brown beans. They have different types of brown beans. It's a different species of brown beans. Look at it. Ooh, can you see how soft it is? Can you see how soft it is? So here now the beans is almost ready. So you can serve it this way, or you can match it. Look at it. Can you see how it is? You can match it, use this turning stick or spoon to, match it up. So you can either eat it that way, or you just match it, just to give you that Ewa Goyin vibe. And this is me serving it. Ooh, our beans Ewa Goyin is ready. Odogu beans is ready. Please, try this. Tag me, and your family will love it. It is not everyday beans porridge. Sometimes let's make something different for our family. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.